With complex multilateral well drilling, tighter spacing, infill drilling, knowing where your well is and where it is not supposed to be is critical. Survey errors can lead to serious risks, especially when drilling near existing wells. In this short video, we'll explore how DrillSpot makes anti-collision analysis intuitive, visual, and real-time. We start in the cross-section view of GeoTarget widget. Under the top menu Uncertainty section, select Ellipses and Cones. You'll now see ellipses and cones of uncertainty plotted along the wellbore path. As I hover along the well path, survey details including vertical and along hole error are displayed. By overlaying nearby offset wells, we can visually assess and manage the collision risk in real time. Next, in the gun barrel view, the ellipses of uncertainty are shown in relation to the well plan and target lines. This allows clear spatial awareness and rapid interpretation of proximity concerns between nearby trajectories. Similarly, you can enable 𝗲𝗄𝐶 visualization in map view of GeoTarget widget. As I move along the wellbore, the semi-major and semi-minor errors are displayed along the wellbore path. Now let's add an offset well. With both wells visible, we get a clear picture of overlapping uncertainty zones, essential for proactive anti-collision planning. All trajectory data is tabulated in the spreadsheet view. On the right, users can select a built-in model for 𝗲𝗄𝐶 calculation or define their own. Tool codes can also be selected from an extensive drop-down, allowing full customization to match your survey program. DrillSpot continues to evolve, bringing intuitive, real-time insights to your geosteering and drilling workflows. Stay tuned for powerful upcoming features like separation factor calculations, enhanced proximity alerts, and much more. Thanks for watching, and as always, drill smart, drill safe with DrillSpot.